Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. Today we have saw number 12 in the collection. It's a John Deere 80 EV, which is 750 Echo, same thing. Echo made these for John Deere. And 750 Echo is a very good saw, so these are too. Alright, let's look it over a little bit here. Alright. John Deere ones went through some colors. They were green, and they went to these yellow. I think they went, when they went plastic, they went back to green, which I don't have either of those. Okay. Let's go over this saw a little bit. Let's get that oiler. Echo's got compression release. And stop down. Put that on. Throttle lock. Choke. And high and low. And the idle right here, which kind of easy. Got the dog. Only room for one dog on these, so you know, some have double, but this part is broke, which I don't care. It's still a very fine example. Maybe I'll find a better one someday and replace it. Oil and gas. It's got nice gas caps, oil caps on it. Alright, screw off for the filter. I like these. I like them real well, but I'm an Echo fan, so what do you expect me to say? I like them all. Alright, got one of those Oregon bars, which I wish I had a John Deere bar for it, but I don't. Let's try and start it. See what you think. See if it'll run. I like the old saws that idle low and pop like that. That just sounds good to me. It's one of my favorite sounds. Alright, there we go. Saw number 12, John Deere 80 EV. Thanks for watching. Bye.